Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to imitate like native speakers. Yes, you heard it right. In this video we are going to just speak. We are trying to speak like native speakers. How they speak, what kind of words they use, what kind of accents they use, and are we able to twist our tongue according to the sentence in that way, the way native speakers speak. Are we able to speak in that way, the way native speakers speak, the way the native speakers twist their tongue? So let's see in this video, are we able to speak in that way or not? Okay, so this video is going to be very interesting, and keep watching this video till the end. We are going to learn many more things, so let's begin this video. So there are so many people who want to speak like native speakers, who want to speak the way native speakers speak, and their accents are different, their vocabularies are different, and the way we speak, it's a different way, and the way they speak, that's a different way. And sometimes I become unable to understand even whatever they speak. I cannot understand, but slowly I'm just learning, and I am watching those videos, and I'm just observing that how they speak. Actually they speak in a different way, like I don't know what kind of things they use, and how they twist their tongue, and how they speak. Actually I become unable to speak like that, but today we are going to just imitate. Today we are going to just try we are how to speak actually like native speakers. And in this video we are going to use some of the sentences and some of the vocabularies, and we are going to know actually, are we able to speak in that way or not? Can we speak like native speakers or not? Because we are speaking in a different way. We are speaking like we are Indian, so we are speaking in our real voice, right? In our real voice, we don't use their voice like they speak. Sometimes they make often as a often. Some of the speakers make, so they make different types of difference between the words, and sometimes they speak in a different way. Like I have a few sentences. With the help of those sentences we are going to speak like we are going to speak in that way, right? So if I talk about how they speak, so listen to me carefully. If I try to speak like, here is a sentence which is we go to the school. Okay, and for example I go to the school. So how they will speak it? They will speak it, I go to the school, I go to the school. And if I will say that I have to record my video, so they will speak like, I have to record my video, I have to record my video. I know I'm not speaking in that way perfectly, but I'm just trying to speak. And you also should try, like you should repeat after me if you really want to speak like native speakers. Okay, so the word is the sentence, I would say. I have a one more sentence, like we can use any other sentence, and we can, like they speak like, for example do you go to the college? So they will speak it, do you go to the college, do you go to the college. Repeat after me, do. They use da as a da, they use ka as a kha, like see as a like they speak ka as a kha, and they speak ta as a tha, and have to and have to, and college and college, the college, so in this way they speak like, see, repeat after me now. Do you go to the college? So they will speak, do you, to, repeat, do you go to the college, go ni go, it's a go. Okay, so repeat, go to the college, go to the college, do you go to the college. I know so many people are not repeating, I know very well. They are just listening, and they are just watching this video, and they are just watching that how I'm speaking. I'm also studying, my English is not good, and I am not speaking better. They are talking like this, I know very well. But see, I do not want to live in that mediocrity. I do not want to live the way I was before. Today, whatever I'm speaking, it is my improvement. Whatever the way I'm speaking, before some time I wasn't like this. I wasn't able to speak in this way. But today I'm trying. So my friend, try to speak. Try to speak if you really want to do something in your life, if you really want to speak English language, if you really want to speak in like native speakers. Okay, so try. There is no problem. It is okay to make mistakes. It is okay if you are not speaking perfectly. It is okay you are not speaking right. If you are making a lot of mistakes, it is okay. Okay, yes, just try to speak, try to evolve yourself. Okay, try to come out from your comfort zone, try to do that thing which hasn't ever done. So my friend, just do those things which are not being done by anyone. Okay, do something extraordinary. It is okay if people are criticizing you. It is okay to face fun. It is okay to face problems. It is okay if people are making you fun that you are not speaking, and they will just say that what are you doing, why are you recording your videos if you are not able to speak. They will say, I know very well, but let me try. And one day when I will speak in a different way, when I will speak without any type of hesitation. Today, nowadays I'm speaking, but sometimes I make mistakes, sometimes I face problems. You also may be making mistakes, a lot of mistakes. And you may be thinking that he's recording his video, he's teaching other people, but now he's talking about that he's also facing the same problem. So my friend, and we are going to learn. Okay, see, there are so many people who are speaking. Actually, they come on camera when they speak, when they are able to speak. But I am speaking without becoming a perfect speaker of English language, so that is why we all are friends, and we are just trying to learn. We are just making those people aware that how we can speak. Actually, the people who just speak only English language, they don't tell so many things. But in this video we are going to just learn the real things, how we can actually speak. Okay, so just try again and repeat whatever I have said so far. Okay, repeat those things and you can speak. And listen to me carefully. If you are not able to pronounce any word, if you are not able to twist your tongue, so I have one more word as well. Listen to me carefully. Pneumon ultra microscopic slocoval canaconiosis. And if I speak in a different way like native speakers, so they will speak pneumon ultra microscopic slocoval canaconiosis. Are you repeating? Pneumon ultra, repeat. Pneumon ultra microscopic slocoval. Are you repeating or not? I know still many people are not repeating. I know they are just watching and they are just enjoying that. Let's see how this person is speaking, and he's just trying to speak but he's also unable to speak. I know very well, but I am trying, so that's why I'm saying just try again, my friend. Try if you really want to become, if you really want to speak. Okay, so pneumon ultra microscopic slocoval canaconiosis. Yes, in this way you can twist your tongue. Just speak. If you are unable to pronounce, if you are unable to twist your tongue, okay, these tongue twisters will help you to speak in that way. Okay, so just try to speak every single day, and don't forget to speak these types of tongue twisters as well. Okay, and these tongue twisters will help you to speak like native speakers as well. Yes, of course. And it will help you to speak in a different way. It will help you to speak a great English, so in this way you can improve your English language. And if I talk about those native speakers, so they have their own they kind of mother tongue. Like we are speaking in our mother tongue, and we use our normal like accents and Indian words, and we don't speak in that way, right? So we are just trying to speak, but we are unable to speak in that way. They speak in a different way, right? We can speak, but we have to try, we have to work for that. We have to work upon our pronunciation. They call it pronunciation. So in this way we can speak as well. If we try, so we can speak in that way. So my friend, this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.